Hello friends, long time no see. Apparently seasonal depression hit me a little bit late in this season, but I thought a good way to celebrate us being hopefully in the last of the cold weather would be going through my sweaters and skirts, maybe even the cardigans, to see kind of what I've worn, what I haven't worn, and do a little bit of a closet clear out, closet refresh to remind me what I do have and what I don't, so that I don't purchase 1,000 black swing skirts because I think that I could never have enough, but I already have 2,000. I do hope to go over all of my pullover sweaters like this one. This is definitely in the stay pile because I'm wearing it right now. The skirts we're probably gonna get to, but let's see if I have the energy. If I burn out too fast, we'll save that for another video. We'll come back for a round two. And maybe even the cardigans. I don't feel like I have a lot of cardigans to get rid of, but if I don't burn out and actually can do the cardigans, we'll try to fit that in this video as well. Let's find out. I have a lot of sweaters. Pretty plain gray sweater with these cool tie-ups on the side. I think that's like a modern thing. Like I like the modern look of that, but also you can't tell when it's tucked into a big black swing skirt, so I actually get a lot of wear out of this. Keep pile. Keep sheep. Put it on the keep sheep. Kind of a blue-gray cropped sweater. Please don't come at me because this is Dolls Kill. I got it thrifted, so no money actually went to the Dolls Kill brand. I actually haven't worn this at work yet because I'm not entirely sure how the cropped sweater situation would work, but I usually wear such high-waisted skirts anyways that I feel like I could get away with a cropped sweater. Might as well try with like a collared shirt under it at least, so. In the keep pile? Keep sheep. Okay, so this is a pretty new Goodwill sweater. It's got like poofy bubbly sleeves and it's like a really bright Christmassy red. I have worn this a lot, so keep sheep. Oh, I think I need to wash this. It is a little big for me. I don't care for these buttons, but I mean, they're not bad. Like, I just really like mustard yellow, and this is a keep sheep. I feel like this 80s sweater, like I style it in a little bit more vintage way. I really like the little bubbles and love the shoulder pads. I think it's super cute. I actually feel like I get a lot more wear out of this than I should because it's a little bit big for me. I'm not entirely sure how to take in a sweater though. Like I can do it with a dress or a t-shirt that would just be sewing up the sides, but I'm not sure how that would translate to actual knitted stuff. So maybe I can figure that out, but I really like this, so it's the keep pile. I feel like going through the dry cleaner did not clean the sweater in the way that it needs to be cleaned. I am going through a short sleeve sweater phase right now because it's April, so it's the cooler of the warm. But yeah, another short sleeved sweater for the keep sheep. This sweater, I really like all the different like textures and whatnot to it. I think that's really cool, really interesting. But this is too big for me, and I think this might be the first one to go in the giveaway or sell pile. I can't imagine this being worth much money on the secondhand market. Like there've got to be like a million. It's 100% cotton though. It's very warm. 100% cashmere beige sweater. I like it. Think it's very comfortable, basic. I can wear some more interesting skirts with it. Keep sheep. I'm not in love with how this sweater looks on me. I'm not in love with how I look in this sweater, but it's green. It's a really good shade of green too. Like it's this nice evergreen foresty like green. I think I'm gonna do a maybe try on pile, try you on and see how I feel. This one I have only worn a few times because I recently crocheted this sweater. Once again, I am going through a huge short sleeve sweater phase and put little puffy 40 sleeves on it. I'm very happy with it, and when I wear it I feel like a snake, so it's very snaky snake. Keep sheep. This is a Razorback sweater because I live in Arkansas, and I think I basically just wear this on Fridays at the office when there's a big Razorback game and everybody else is wearing Razorback merch. I do not really like how I look in this. I've been holding on to this so that I have some Razorback merch, but I think that its time has come to an end. You are going to make somebody else happy. Somebody else who is much more woo pig suey. Love this sweater. This is my Christmas sweater that I got to match my dog's Christmas sweaters because I am that person. I will not be ashamed. Definite keep sheep. This is a very thin, plain gray sweater, but I absolutely love that it has little heart patches on the elbows. The only reason why I got it was because it has the heart elbow patches. I think you're gonna go in the try-on pile. I love that I have a heart elbow patch sweater, but I don't really wear it a lot. Another green sweater. Definitely needs to be lint rolled. Green. Green. Good green. Good green. You keep. Definite keep. Okay, so my sister-in-law actually thrifted this for the child, but the child was too big for it. I fit into it, but it's quite boxy and not my favorite shade of green. It is a pug, and I feel really bad because somebody gave it to me, but I think that I'm gonna have to give it to somebody else. Honestly, I used to wear this all the time when I was doing accounting office type things, and you know, when you're dealing with customers, you have to look normal. That phase in my life is kind of over. Like, it's a little big on me, a little boxy, but like, it's a good sweater. It's Eddie Bauer. I mean, I very much associate Eddie Bauer with clothing you can hike in. It's a good sweater, but it's going to giveaway. It's very much a Bill Cosby sweater. I feel like I don't wear it very much anymore. Like, I don't know, like, yeah, you go bye-bye. Another yellow for a sweater. This isn't nearly as mustardy, and this is a long sleeve one, so it's completely different, and that justifies me keeping it. Keep cheap. This I feel like is honestly a pretty new addition to the sweater collection. I don't think that I have any other blue sweaters, but also I don't wear a lot of blue. What's your fiber content? Well, it's 100% cashmere, so potentially I could dye it green. How do you swatch test a sweater though? I will say you are in the keep pile for now. Another basic cream sweater for a basic person. This is a little bit longer sleeve length, so I can justify it because it goes with everything, right? Okay, remember what I said about how I just don't gravitate towards blue? Usually if I gravitate towards a blue sweater, it's this one just because it has the sailor collar, and I have been obsessed with that ever since childhood and Sailor Moon, because obviously. So, she's going into the keep pile. This is a nice shade of green. This is a nice green. I kind of feel like it is a little bit big on me, so I think that this is going to be in the try-on pile. It makes me sad thinking that I might get rid of a green sweater. I'm going to have to try you on. Another mustard yellow, but this is long sleeves, so I will justify keeping. Fuck, let's see how you hang. Are these my only two pink sweaters? Yeah, and they're completely different vibes. Fancy lady and vintage, and this is just modern couch gremlin. This is going in the keep pile. You got a mark on you too. Oh well, I think that's hidden by a skirt or something like that. Little big on me. As you can tell, this sweater is very well loved. We have a little place where threads came out here. Just some little wear and stainage issues, but we are going into the keep pile. Another Christmas print. I know I don't like Christmas as a holiday, but look at the aesthetic. The aesthetic is on point. Ugh. You are going to the keep sheep. Okay, so this is a very pretty color of like a wine maroon color, and there's nothing wrong with it, but not my vibe. So you are giveaway. This is an okay shade of green. I don't know, like, I think this is gonna go in the giveaway though, because it's just not my style right now, so yeah. I used to really like this sweater. I just don't gravitate towards it anymore. I'm gonna put it in the try-on pile to see if like that reinvigorates how I used to like this sweater, but I think this might be giveaway. Check out my Hooters. Okay, so I used to really like this sweater, and I wore it all the time when I was doing the accounting department / customer service stuff. I feel like you are going to make somebody else a lot happier than me, owl sweater, as you used to make me happy. The Hooters are going away. Bye bye, Hooters. Purpley, winey burgundy sweater. I'm not sure if I wore this very much this year, but definitely keep. Another short sleeve sweater in a neutral tone, just a kind of like a sandy tone this time. I'm not in love with like the bunching right here. I'm willing to get over it, at least for now. I feel like you are going to the keep sheep. So my first instinct was neutral cream sweater. You're obviously going into the keep pile, but no, actually, I think it's time to go our separate ways. I think this was only like $35 plus shipping, but I'm never gonna wear it enough to justify that cost, but it's not gonna leave my closet. I don't know how to style this quite yet because, oh, it's got a pocket there. This is an authentic navy shirt in like size small or extra small for a man, and I need to figure out how to wear it because I want to wear it so badly, but I don't know how to style it in a way that actually looks put together, you know? I might put you in the try-on pile just so you can see me in this video with it on, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna wear you very much, but you're not leaving my closet. My Velma sweater! I think that I look ridiculous in it, like I'm either Velma or a carrot, but I love it. She's staying. Keep sheep. It's framing my magic rock very nicely. I think that this is the best fitting sweater that I have. Maybe the only sweater that fits me this well. I'm keeping in my keep pile. It's going to the keep sheep for now. It might not always be there, but I just feel good when I wear this. It's okay, I guess. I think that I'm putting this on the keep sheep for now just to stop me from buying another mustard sweater that fits as well as this one does. This is staying as a preventative measure at this point. I do like the color. I don't like the fit. I don't like how I feel in it. She ain't my jam. This has a lot more bag to it. Like, don't get me wrong, I love the heart patches, but not my jam. No. I feel like I'm definitely going to keep this just to have another green sweater in my arsenal, but I also feel like starting off with the one sweater that fit me really, really well was probably it was kind of setting the rest of the sweaters up to live up to a very high standard that they just were not gonna meet. Oh, it's heavy. It's heavy and it smells like old. I feel adorable, but look ridiculous. But I'm gonna try this on with the skirt. The skirts! Black skirt, navy top totally matches, right? There's so much bunching going on, like I think it's hilarious. So this is what it looks like, and this is what it looks like with a skirt on. Just let the sailor obsession reign. Like, this is something that I feel good in. I don't look good in, but I feel good in. Well, I think that the video is getting a little bit too long, so I am going to go ahead and take a timeout and get to the skirts next week. So stay tuned for that. Which sweaters would you have kept and tossed? Feel free to list that with any questions, comments, or concerns down below. I would like to get back to doing videos on Tuesdays and Fridays, sometimes just one though. So if you wouldn't mind hitting that thumb, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you know when I actually do post. You know the drill. Once again, thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. We'll see you next time. Bye. Sheep, get in front zone. There we go. I did a whole freaking monologue without the mic turned on. God damn it. I need to stop talking soon. I need to take a break and stop talking soon. Woo.